Number one, I assure you, ako po mapapagod. Pero hindi pwedeng ako lang ang mapagod. Lahat tayo mapagod. Pati PSC mapapagod. Lahat ng kawani sa PSC mapapagod. Pero mapapagod po tayo because of the effort. Mapapagod po tayo because we are happy, because we are winning, we are successful, and sports is fun. So let's enjoy. Number two, pag pinalakpakan po yung atleta, yung NSA pinapalakpakan din. Pag pinalakpakan po yung atleta, yung POC pinapalakpakan din. Yung mga kawani ng PSC, pinapalakpakan din. Kailangan po palakpakan tayo. When Carlos Yulo won, because of the excitement, ay may niyakap ako ng talon Yung pala siya yung parang physical therapist ni Carlos Yulo na taga PSC. I didn't even know her name. Pero yun yung sinasabi ko, that is there an attachment between the athlete, the NSA, the POC, and the PSC, and then parang kahit di tayo magkakilala kasi nanalo tayo, masaya tayo. So yan po yung dream ko. We dream, we work, we achieve, and we rise together. Number three, I personally believe that sports, if you see a nation that is rich, if you see a nation that is successful, they have a great sports program. And when you have a great sports program, you see a healthy country, a healthy nation, and a happy nation. It goes together. It goes hand in hand. Yan lang po ang aking mensahe. I am here, not, you know me, my name is Pato. How can you forget the word Pato? So my name is Pato. Nagkataon lang, chairman. But I am here as an enabler. I'm not here as a boss. I'm not here as the boss of Philippine Sport. My name, and yung atikain ko ay kasing simple lang ng nickname ko, Pato. So, tulungan niyo po ako. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And I hope athletes and coaches, I hope you leave this room smiling. We will improve your performance and your lives. Maraming salamat po.